Through the gate.
AC in the van decided not to be cold today.
We're all a little upset about it.
Oh, wow.
Awesome.
This is different. We weren't sure. We're like, well, we've done Arches, we've done Canyonlands a few times, so like, do we need to go to Zion? And everyone's like, yeah.
This is the coolest tunnel I've ever been in. Well, the visitor center here is super crowded, and that's because they have shuttles that leave from the visitor center and go all throughout the park, which is great. But the parking situation, not so great. I mean, they have, maybe it's just a super crowded time of year, but it was not easy to find a spot. The south campground is right next to the visitor center. There's overfilled parking for the visitor center here, and there's also a little creek run past it. We're gonna go play in the water a little bit. Don't feed the wildlife or chop your hand with a hatchet. Angie in her professional hiking attire.
What?
Huh? You look amazing.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid.
There's water up there, you want to check it out?
I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls,
So we really don't know know if we're on the right trail. They weren't labeled. They weren't marked. There was parking spots. So we went for it. Does it just end? I think we could still keep going this way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
They're trying to skip rocks. It's not working.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the
Turns out
mountain.
this was not the right trail. We went as far as we could on this trail and then we turned around because it was too difficult, and obviously I am not wearing the proper foot attire. And so we're headed back to the car pretty soon, and we will see if we find the right trail. If not, we still had a great hike, and we still recommend this park. So
so does everyone else.
So does everyone else. Angie's just enjoying a nice spot in the shade. You boys having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like the water?
They needed a dip in the water.
Yeah.
I
Alright.
get it.
We'll check back in with you guys when we figure something else out. Hey friends. We're not at Zion anymore. We were looking for the other trails, but they're really not marked. And I don't know if it's just because they're doing a lot of road construction there, or if we missed them, or if they just don't mark their trails. But just driving through that place is really breathtaking.
Really, really, really pretty. We would have hiked more had it just been us, but the kids, it's a little harder for them, you know.
Yeah, and we really weren't dressed for...
We were not. This is my only clean outfit, and it is a romper, not really hiking apparel. And we're supposed to do laundry tonight, but the water here is completely gone because I guess there was a pipe break or something.
The city's out there fixing a pipe. So there's
Very nervous.
no water at the campground.
I'm very nervous because I'm like, how do I wash my face? How do I wash all the sunscreen off? I don't know. But you know what? This is part of the experience.
Yep. Anyways, we're outside of Zion National Park. We're actually closer to Bryce Canyon.
Yes.
This campground is called Riverside Ranch.
Yeah.
And this is the river.
More of a creek, really.
I'd call it a creek, but Creekside Ranch just doesn't quite have the same ring.
Well, depends
So-
on what you're into, I guess.
Yeah, there are a lot of trout jumping back there in the creek, which is cool.
Yeah.
Anyways, I guess we're going to leave you guys here.
We're going to leave you here tomorrow. We're heading to Capitol Reef, I believe.
Yeah, we're going to stop at Capitol Reef
Never
on
been
our
there.
way to Moab.
Yes, Moab is probably our favorite city, and we'll talk more about that in future videos. But
Yes,
just
you guys
know,
will have to follow along to see that.
Yes, and I have to say, on this road trip, it's been really cool. One of my favorite things has been to see other content creators out here making movies, making, you know, art, whatever you want to call it. We found a lot of other Instagrammers and YouTubers out there kind of following our path, not following us, we didn't invent the path, but doing kind of what we're doing, and it's really cool to see. So if you see us on the road, honk or something, say hi. We love it.
Alright guys, we're going to leave you here.
Yep.
And be sure you like and subscribe to follow along on the next video.
Yes, please.
And we will see you then.
We're getting there.
Yeah, that too.
Goodness. All right, I'm gonna put the camera camera down for a minute because I need.
Alright, we're gonna try and find something we saw on the map called Emerald Pools something. Emerald Pools something.
There's so much editing to do, but it's good, right? It's a good problem.
Did it take a wrong turn or something?
Maybe.